How to build your personal brand or your online brand from scratch to finish. If you have been looking for the amazing way you can start building your personal brand, which is your digital footprint in the online space, and you don't just have the idea on how to start, in this video I will be sharing with you the step-by-step ways you can start building your online brand or your personal brand in the online space and start making money, start building a multi-million brand. Okay, ensure you watch to the end and subscribe, like and share. Number one, to start building your personal brand, you just need to figure out what you want to build on. Do not build a personal brand because your friends are building on this niche and you want to build on this niche. First, check out who are you. Check out your authenticity. Check out your values, your unique value proposition. Check out what you have within you that you want to build. Your talent, your skills, your creativity, your knowledge, they all comprises of your values. Check out what do you really love, which is your purpose, your directions. Check it out. What do you have inside of you? What are your uniqueness? Check yourself out and list it down. If possible, write them down, that this is what comprises of me. I am this, I am that, I am this, I am that. And when you have written it down, ensure you research the market, because the things you have written down must merge with what the market need. Yes, you are this, you are that, but everything you have listed down, does the market need it? Like, you are a fashion designer, you are a makeup artist, you are knowledgeable in some field, in some discipline, in some industries. Does the market need these services or this niche or these services you want to build on? You are a medical professional, does the market need it? You are a publisher, does the market need it? You are a digital professional, does the market need it? Because the market must need what you want to build as a personal brand, despite you love it, despite you are passionate about it. However, ensure it merge together. You love it, you like it, it is your purpose. At the same time, the market must be willing to have what you want to share for them, because if the market does not need what you want to share with them, you won't build a multi-million personal brand. You will just be there and you won't be making the money. So ensure that what you are building as a personal brand, the market need it, because that is the only way you will build a multi-million personal brand. The market need your knowledge in that discipline, in that industry, in that profession, in that niche, in that services, in that product, in that offers you want to give out. Number two, after finding out what you love and what the market need blending together, the number two, you must start creating content around these things you love, because when you don't create content, you won't attract. The online place, which is building your personal brand, is about creating values, giving values around what makes you you, around what gives you fulfillment, around what makes you come out from your chair and want to impart and influence the world. So ensure that you are giving values with your content, because it is the content that the people see. The people don't see your product, because you are not selling physical products. You are not selling physical products. You don't sell physical products. What you sell is your values, which is the content you put out there to the world. That is what you sell, and that is what make you build a multi-million personal brand. So start creating valuable content around your niche, the services you have stamped down or niche down for yourself. And I will advise that you create or build a brand around wealth, health, relationship and money making, because that is the hot in demand niche in the society. People want to learn how to make more money. People want to learn how to become their best version. People want to have a healthy lifestyle. Nobody wants to be sick. So if you are good around this area, start building your brand around this area, teaching others how to make money, teaching others how to become their best version, teaching others how to have a healthy marriage, a healthy relationship, teaching others how to create wealth, teaching others how to have a healthy lifestyle, teaching others how to get their best job, their best career. Start building on this. After which you have nailed down and start creating valuable content, you should also choose the best platform for you. Which platform is the best? that your audience are in this platform? Is it YouTube that your audience are? Is it Facebook? Is it Instagram? Is it LinkedIn? Is it TikTok? Choose the best platforms that your audience are in and start pushing out your content every blessed day, like 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 10 content. Start pushing it out in a day. At most, if you are very busy, I will advise that you employ a social media manager to help you out. And if you are a stay-at-home mom, you are not too busy like that, start creating at least 10 content in a day. Personally, I create 15 to 25 content in a day, and it has helped me gain visibility. That's on my Facebook. It has helped me gain visibility and attract clients who are ready to pay me and work with me. So start creating content, 15 content, 10 content in a day to build your visibility, attract clients, and build your influence. But ensure the content you are creating are mind-blowing content, valuable content. So the next step after choosing your platforms, choosing your audience, choose the audience that needs these services of yours, this program that you have designed, this niche that you have designed. Who need it? Start attracting the audience that need it through your content. And the last but not the least, start creating your offers. That is what you want to sell. What do you want to sell? Start building your offers, creating your system, your landing page. If you are just starting and you don't have your system, you don't have structure, start with what you have, which is just by creating your content, valuable content, and attract people that needs your content, attract audiences that resonate with you. Start sharing your stories, because it is through your stories your audience will align with you. Personal brand is about sharing stories, relatable stories, practical stories about yourself or someone related to you or other. Just start creating stories, because your audience resonates more when you tell stories that makes you come out of your shell, stories that make you want to build your personal brand and become your best version. Start creating stories around your personalities, your values, your unique proposition, your authenticity, and build authenticity as you build your personal brand. Do not fake who you are. Don't tell us you are this, you are that, you are this, you are that, you are this, and when we check you out, you are not that and you are not this. Be yourself. Do not fake who you are, because the online space is filled with fake life. Do not be fake if you want to build a multi-million brand. Come out the way you are. Let your audience love you by presenting yourself just the way you are. Tell us you are this. This is who you are. And you are working to become your perfect self, your best self. However, even when you are telling us you are this, you are trying to be authentic, do not put out fake image or poor image about yourself, because you are building your digital footprint. Your audience are watching you. They are trying to get you right. Do not tell us something you don't want to put in the online space, or something you don't want your audience to hear. Ensure that what you are putting out, or the content you are putting out on your platform, is what you want your audience to listen to, what you want your audience to hear, something you want your audience to feel. Yes, that is what you should be putting out. Do not put out something you don't want your audience to know about you. Okay, just be authentic by the way you display yourself, and the way you create your values, and the way you react to things. Just be authentic. Then create your offers. Sell something, and when you are selling something, do not start off by putting out a bigger price on your services or your product or your offers. Wait your audience. Wait your brand. Is your brand really worth this price you want to put in $10,000? Is your brand worth this $10,000? Is your brand worth this $15,000, $25,000? Wait your brand. Wait it before you price your offers. And in pricing your offers, it has to do with your branding. How are you branding yourself? How are you positioning yourself? Because when you don't position yourself, you won't build an amazing brand. You won't build a multi-million brand. Ensure you position yourself. Take good pictures, studio pictures, if you have the capacity, take studio pictures once in a while and put it on your page, because your pictures need to be amazing, need to be beautiful. You are not faking your identity. You are just trying to build yourself, to position yourself very, very well, to position yourself so you can price high ticket price, so you can price amazing price, so you can price something that is worth it for your brand. So take good pictures and position yourself very well, because that is how you attract good clients, multi-million clients, clients that want to pay you bigger amounts for your services. And that is how to build a multi-million personal brand, by putting out yourself, organizing conferences, organizing programs, be it offline programs or online programs. Organize program to position yourself that you are in not just to become your best self, you are in to impact lives. You are in to build influence. You are in to build legacy. Start organizing programs, whether offline programs or online programs or physical programs or virtual programs. Organize programs to sell yourself. Become a public speaker. Speak. Do not be ashamed to speak. You are already building your digital footprint. So tell me, what are you afraid of? Build yourself. Learn how to speak. Learn how to compose yourself. Learn how to talk. Learn how to position yourself. So daily invest on yourself. If you really want to build a multi-million personal brand, daily invest in courses, invest on mentors, invest on coaches, invest and invest and invest. Do not get tired of becoming your best self, because the more you invest on yourself, the more you increase your self-worth. So keep investing till you build a multi-million personal brand. If you love this video, kindly like and subscribe to this channel, because that is the only way you are helping me grow and also helping this channel grow. Subscribe, like and share. Okay, thank you, bye bye, and see me you in my next video.